What's up? Hey, cause I got some hair to review for you, cause I always lay it all day, every day. Back to business. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Nicole, and I'm coming to you with so much energy. I mean, when do I not come with energy? Today I'm back at it again with another video. Today's gonna be on this hair. What's funny is I say today's gonna be on this hair, and I post at least 2 hair videos a day, so y'all already know what the game is. I want this hair right here. What hair this is? This WIGGINS. Oh, this is WIGGINS hair. So shout out to my friend for making this wig and helping me, because I got 10 packages last week and she just helped me. And I also dyed this hair color too, that you guys gotta stay tuned and see. But yeah, shout out to her for helping me make this. Shout out to Marissa too for making that wig. But yeah, you guys, if you want to see the specs on this hair, which I'm sure you do want to see, then please keep on watching. Okay.
Used to be broke, used to sleep on the floor. I just dropped 40 racks at the store. Google my net worth and times about 4. That's disrespectful, they know I got more. Niggas be talking, they ain't about that X.
Okay. So first and foremost, like I said, this is WIGGINS hair. This is in their straight texture. Now I'm looking at the specs right now. This is a 22, 24, 26 with a 20-inch closure in their straight texture. I'm not sure. Let me see if it's Malaysian, Brazilian, or whatever. She's never prepared, y'all. She's never prepared. Okay. Okay, so I don't think they specified in the email exactly what they sent me, but I'll definitely have it down in the description box so you guys could see it. So I'm going to show you guys the picture that I was inspired by. Shout out to my baby Alonzo. Listen, that man is talented. I aspire to be better than him one day, or at least as good, okay? We gotta strive for the good. But anyways, he did this kind of look, but his ends were lighter, and the hair, I bleached it twice, and it took the bleach pretty well. I still, you know, sometimes I be getting lazy when I bleach, and I just be like wanting to get the hair on and see what it look like. So this hair it looks a little fluffy because there still is product in it, I feel like. So I'm gonna try bleaching it a 3rd time to see if it could get to that yellow blonde at the end that I wanted it to be. And then if it does, I'm gonna make sure that I get the product out, because even smelling the hair, I low-key still kind of smell some, like, you know, chemicals in it. But for the most part, it took the bleach really well. It did not shed bad at all. It shedded, of course, but it did not shed, like, you know, vigorously, or like, you know, crazy, like, oh my god, this hair falling apart, I'm not gonna have no bundles left. As you can see, it's definitely still full. And then when you see in the video of me bleaching and styling and installing and cutting the hair, you're gonna see that when I blow dry it, it gets like literally like lioness kind of big. Let me know what kind of vibes you're getting with this hair in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this hair. I really need y'all to come through with the thumbs ups. Come on, y'all watching the videos, but y'all not thumbsing them up. That's what helps me in videos. That's what helped me. So I need y'all to do that. I'm really feeling this look right here with these blonde. Listen, I'm not playing with y'all in 2018. I told y'all. So I can't wait to see this on Kaylee. I can't wait to see it on my mom. You know how I do. But yeah. This is not my first time working with WIGGINS. This is probably like my 2nd time. I usually, well, the last time I tried their 613, which I love. I think that's with my mint and green wig. That's their hair. And then I have the natural black here that took the dye really well. And like I said, it's a whole ombre situation. Listen, y'all, I was scared to do it, but I made it work. Sometimes you gotta be scared and just do it, because it might end up working nice. I kind of finessed the layers a little bit. Probably still should have a little bit more up here in this region, but I'm not no professional. I'm self-taught. So that's Kaylee in the background, since she want to, you know, say hi to you guys. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you check out the other ones. I love y'all so much. Okay.
Alright, you guys, so I'm going to get straight into how I install my wigs, y'all. I always install my wigs before I do my makeup. So I was about to do my makeup, and I was like, wait, hold on. Got to do my wig first. I have to lay it down. So I'm about to pluck hair out of here. And it kind of hurt my heart to pluck the blonde hairs, because the blonde is just so nice. Like the 2 streaks in the front, you guys. I'm going to start experimenting with color and stuff, and highlighting and bleaching and stuff. Listen, y'all, I'm learning as I go with you guys. So just know that. So far, let's just talk about the hair in the video. The hair did really good with the bleaching. I did say a lot about the hair in the beginning, but I just want to say I think the bleach that I used helped the hair not to be so damaged. So if you have a friend that has a cosmetology license, or see if you can get it online, the Canara color bleach and stuff like that. Also, I wanted to state again, I didn't bleach the knots, so I'm gonna just, well, really what I did was put my foundation on the lace. So that's what I did to make it, you know, transparent. So I was on live doing this with you guys as well, and I was asking y'all, do y'all think I should pluck more, whatever, and y'all helped me out. Just to, you know, stick the lace down a little bit so it's not moving when I'm doing my baby hairs. I'm also going to use my Pump It Up spritz as well, and that's going to just act as a stickier, you know, agent to help everything stick down so it's not, you know, sliding while I'm doing my baby hair. Love doing this step. It's not, you know, tedious. It doesn't take a lot of work. It just, you just spray it, let it dry, tie it down, you're good. So I'm not going to repeat everything that I pretty much do for my lace closure wigs in this video, because I've pretty much talked to you about this, you know, in a couple of other videos. I pretty much told y'all what I do and show y'all. And like I said, I'm going to keep showing y'all, but I don't have to keep repeating and explaining myself. So just watch me work, watch and learn. I'm going to make some baby hairs. I'm going to cut them and I'm going to lay them down with my Got2b gel and lay my natural hairs. Oh, and also I put up a poll on my Instagram asking if you guys thought this was a closure or frontal, and a lot of you guys guessed frontal, so that means I'm doing my job on finessing these closures to look like frontals. Okay, nobody tell me nothing. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go in and try to bleach the ends a little bit lighter and then tone it to get that brassiness out of it, because, you know, I'm still learning. Like I said, I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with me, and we are going to master this hair stuff even more than I already do. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll update you guys on this hair. Wiggins, great hair, lifted amazingly, loved it. Check it out, you guys. It's Abby approved. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video. Love you. Mwah.